Hello, this is Rakesh Rao from DesignSense Software Technologies, Bangalore. In this video, I'm just going to give you a brief introduction about our company DesignSense. So we were founded in the year 2013 and we are having two main portfolios in our business stream. One is that we are an all India sales and development point for BricsCAD. So we sell BricsCAD all over India. So that is our sales portfolio where we represent BricsCAD product from Brixis in Belgium. In addition to that, we are also a complete software development company and we have built two products over the last 25 years, namely CADPower and GeoTools. So these are ready to use products which sit as plugins on top of CAD software like AutoCAD, BricsCAD and so on. In addition to that, we also do customized software development and automation services for the CAD and design industry. So we are a complete software development as well as software sales company in that sense. So we have a very well-grounded experience in all these fields and that completes our portfolio of services and development. So if you have any of these kinds of requirements, you can always approach us and we'll be ready to help you. One of our main motives or one of our main goals is to help industry achieve a higher level of automation, and we do this using our customized automation services or via our CADPower and GeoTools software. Thank you for watching this video and do let me know if we can be of any in helping you to achieve the higher level of automation. Thank you.